Our big project this summer is landscaping. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ralph. Welcome to our backyard.
This spot is all hard surfaces, a wooden fence and a concrete path, and we want it to look cozier and feel more private.
The project is focused mainly on this area with the green septic tank access covers. The septic system does limit what can be done in this space. This is one of the reasons we hired professionals. We love DIY, but there are some projects better left to the pros. What took a crew 3.5 days would have taken us over a month. Landscaping's hard work. Everything from prepping the beds and moving soil to planting and laying landscape stones. It's a lot for 2 people.
Another reason we hired professionals is the design plan. This helps us visualize the finished project. The design starts with a row of junipers that lead to 3 blue spruces, which will grow to about 30 feet tall. Beyond those are hostas, a gold beech, and some decorative shrubs. That area also has some grasses and a boxwood hedge. The design is clean and simple.
We will also have this planter box filled, and one of our favorite trees, a cut-leaf Japanese maple, will be planted here.
Day 1. Weeds are gone and the beds are getting prepped. Good riddance to a truckload of weeds, and hello to my junipers, boxwoods, Japanese maple, barberry, and dogwoods. This is the end of day 1. Junipers have been laid out, and boxwoods are planted. In the back corner, the golden cedar, boxwood shrubs, and beech tree are laid out. And this is a row of dwarf firs behind the pergola. The Japanese maple and barberry have been planted.
Day 2. The day starts with the delivery of topsoil and the 3 blue spruces. Everything that was previously laid out is planted. The areas around the septic covers is untouched because the covers are below grade and will have to be raised.
Instead, the guys start laying down landscape fabric and stone. They have over 2,000 square feet of slate-scape stone to spread. That gets cut short because of the storm that rolled in.
Day 3. The weather is cold and wet, but we were up early, raising the septic tank covers by adding the risers. We're wearing masks because, remember, this is a septic tank. Now the rest of the topsoil is brought in, and they can continue with the landscape fabric and stone. With the soil in place, the oak grasses can be planted. At this point, all the planting is done, and it's all about spreading the 2,000 square feet of stone. At the end of day 3, most of the work is done, and only a few finishing touches are left.
Day 4. The last of the slate stone is brought in. And for the final touch, decorative boulders are placed to add some dimension and interest to the design.
Where the landscaping meets the neighbor's fence, there are gaps. To solve this, we found hammer-in edging, but it only comes in green, which Anna easily fixed with satin black spray paint.
I love spray painting.
Each piece of edging is 4 feet, and each fence panel is a few inches shorter than 8 feet. Because of this, I had to trim the edging to length before hammering it in. With each piece in place, we rake back the stone. We did the edging for the entire length of the landscaping.
And this is how the backyard looks now. These are the planters I did with Claire and Kate. Link up in the corner. The gold beech looks so much better with leaves. It's not just a stick. Under the pergola, we put out our patio furniture and added some planters. And that one hosta has just taken off. It's like 3 times the size of the others. The Japanese maple is already full and bushy. Next to the maple, you can see the stepping stones that were placed for easy access to the water bib. Finally, having plants in the planter box really cozies up the back patio. Whoa, did you see that dragonfly zip by?
This is a great outdoor space to enjoy the summer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Remember to support our channel by subscribing and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you soon with another project. Thank you, Creative Homescapes, for our beautiful backyard oasis.